Our minds are far more powerful than we realize. Our imagination is not just for daydreaming. It's a tool for creation. Think of an architect designing a building or an artist painting a picture. Their imagination brings those creations into existence. Your mind works the same way. The science behind it is fascinating. Our thoughts shape our brains through a process called neuroplasticity, and our emotions amplify the power of our imagination. Have you ever heard of the placebo effect? It's proof that our beliefs can influence our reality. I know it may sound too good to be true, but this isn't about magic. It's about understanding and harnessing the incredible power within you. What if it is possible to manifest your desires? What do you have to lose by trying? Let's dispel some misconceptions. You don't have to be a visualization expert to make this work. It's not about creating perfect mental images. It's about feeling the emotions of already having what you desire. And everyone has an imagination. Like any other skill, it can be developed with practice. The key is to start with small, achievable goals to build your confidence. Try a simple visualization exercise. Close your eyes and imagine yourself having already achieved your goal. How does it feel? What do you see, hear, smell? The more vividly you can feel the emotions, the more powerful your manifestation will be. You can also use tools like journaling and vision boards to help you focus on your desires. Write down your goals as if they've already happened. Create a vision board filled with images and words that represent your dreams. Recall that the most important ingredient is your emotion. The more you can cultivate feelings of gratitude, joy, and excitement, the faster you'll attract your desires into your life. It's also important to be patient and persistent. Manifestation is a journey, not an overnight transformation. There will be challenges along the way, but don't give up. The more you practice, the easier it will become. And the rewards are immeasurable. So, what are you waiting for? Start using your imagination to create the life you want. It's time to unleash your full potential and manifest your dreams into reality. Close your eyes for a moment. Visualize a world where every aspiration, every desire you've ever held close to your heart is within reach. Feel the exhilaration of accomplishment, the warmth of fulfillment. This isn't a far-off dream, my friend. It's a reality waiting to be claimed. The key lies within the extraordinary power of your mind. Your mind, a boundless universe of potential, far surpasses any limitations you might have placed upon it. It's time to awaken to its true capabilities. Consider the architect, meticulously sketching blueprints, envisioning a magnificent structure that will soon grace the skyline. Or picture the artist, brushstrokes flowing effortlessly across the canvas, bringing to life a vibrant masterpiece. Their imagination isn't merely a whimsical escape, it's the genesis of creation. Your imagination possesses that very same power. It's not just a playground for fleeting fantasies. It's the architect of your reality, the artist of your life. The dreams you hold dear, the visions that dance in your thoughts, they are not mere illusions. They are the seeds of your future. Every invention, every innovation that has shaped our world began as a spark in someone's mind. The Wright brothers soaring through the skies, the inventors crafting technological marvels, the entrepreneurs building empires, they all harnessed the creative force within. And you, too, hold this incredible gift. Your thoughts, your beliefs, your mental images, they are the building blocks of your reality. Just as a sculptor molds clay into a masterpiece, your mind shapes your experiences. When you focus on what you want, with unwavering faith and unwavering emotion, you set in motion a powerful force that aligns the universe to your will. But how, you may ask? How can simply thinking or visualizing bring about tangible change? The answer lies in the intricate workings of your mind, where thoughts transform into actions, and actions shape your destiny. When you cultivate a vision, you ignite a fire within yourself. This fire fuels your motivation, propels you towards your goals and attracts opportunities that align with your aspirations. You become a magnet for the experiences, people, and resources that will support you on your journey. The power of your mind is not limited to material possessions. It extends to every facet of your life. You can improve your relationships, enhance your health, and cultivate inner peace. The possibilities are as limitless as your imagination. So, what are you waiting for? Unleash the dormant power within you. Dare to dream big, to envision a life that fills your soul with joy. Accept the knowledge that your mind is a magnificent creator, capable of manifesting miracles. The canvas of your life awaits your brushstrokes. Let your imagination run wild, and watch as your dreams materialize before your very eyes. This extraordinary power of the mind isn't just philosophical speculation, it's rooted in science. Your brain, a dynamic and ever-evolving organ, possesses an astonishing ability called neuroplasticity. This means your thoughts, your experiences, quite literally, sculpt the pathways within your brain. It's as if your mind is a fertile field, and your thoughts are the seeds that sprout into neural connections. With every thought you think, you're not just passively observing your reality, you're actively shaping it. The thoughts you repeatedly entertain become ingrained patterns, influencing your perceptions, your behaviors, and, ultimately, your experiences. Choose to focus on abundance, and you'll find yourself attracting more opportunities. Choose to nurture love and kindness, and you'll cultivate a world filled with warmth and connection. But there's more. Your emotions, those vibrant hues on the canvas of your mind, magnify the power of your thoughts. When you infuse your imagination with deep feeling, you create a potent cocktail for transformation. The joy of envisioning your desires fulfilled, the gratitude for the blessings already in your life. These emotions accelerate the manifestation process. Consider the placebo effect, a phenomenon well known in medical science. A patient's belief in the effectiveness of a treatment, even if it's just a sugar pill, can trigger actual physiological changes. This demonstrates the undeniable link between mind and body, between belief and reality. Your emotions are not mere fleeting sensations. They are powerful catalysts that can alter your health, your circumstances, and your entire life. Now, I understand if this sounds too good to be true. You might be thinking, is this just another self-help gimmick? But let me assure you, this isn't about waving a magic wand and having your wishes instantly granted. It's about working with the natural laws of the universe, not against them. This isn't just philosophical speculation. It's rooted in science. Numerous studies have shown the undeniable impact of positive thinking and visualization on our well-being and achievements. Olympic athletes use visualization to enhance their performance. Successful entrepreneurs visualize their businesses thriving. And if you're still hesitant, I invite you to consider this. What if it is possible? What if the power to create your reality truly resides within you? What do you have to lose by exploring this potential? Even the smallest shift in your mindset, the slightest glimmer of belief, can open the door to extraordinary possibilities. Why not go on this journey of discovery? Accept the curiosity, the willingness to experiment, the open-mindedness that will lead you to new heights. The potential rewards far outweigh any perceived risks. You might just surprise yourself with what you're capable of achieving. Now, let's address some common misunderstandings. This isn't about conjuring up picture-perfect mental images with every detail meticulously crafted. It's not a test of your artistic skills or your ability to daydream in high definition. The true magic lies in the feelings you evoke. The emotions you associate with your desires are the fuel that propels them into reality. So, instead of striving for flawless visualizations, focus on how it feels to already have what you want. Feel the joy, the gratitude, the excitement as if it were happening at this very moment. Let those emotions wash over you, filling you with an undeniable sense of anticipation. And don't worry if you feel like your imagination isn't as vivid as you'd like it to be. Everyone possesses an imagination, a unique inner landscape waiting to be explored. It's like a muscle that can be strengthened with practice. The more you engage with your imagination, the more vibrant and powerful it becomes. Think of it like learning to play an instrument or mastering a new language. It takes time, dedication, and a willingness to experiment. There will be days when it feels effortless, and days when it seems like a struggle. But with consistent practice, you'll discover a whole new world of possibilities within your mind. And recall that the journey of manifestation is just that, a journey. There's no one-size-fits-all timeline for results. Some desires may manifest quickly, while others may take longer. But don't be discouraged by apparent delays. Every step you take, every thought you think, every emotion you feel is shaping your reality in ways you may not even realize. The key is to trust the process. Keep your focus on your desires, nurture the feelings of having them already, and allow the universe to work its magic. The more you practice, the more you'll witness the incredible power of your mind to create a life beyond your wildest dreams. Enjoying the content? Feel free to hit the subscribe button. It's free and ensures you won't miss out on future videos. Ready to put this into practice? Let's explore a simple yet powerful visualization exercise to ignite your manifestation journey. Find a quiet space where you can relax and let your mind wander. Close your eyes, take a few deep breaths, and allow yourself to settle into a state of calm and openness. Now, picture a goal, a desire that you want to bring into your life. It doesn't have to be grand or complex. Start with something small and achievable. Maybe it's a new job, a healthier body, a deeper connection with a loved one, or simply a day filled with joy and laughter. Whatever it is, hold it in your mind's eye and let the details come alive. See yourself as if you've already achieved this desire. What are you doing? Who are you with? What sensations are you experiencing? Feel the emotions that come with this accomplishment, the pride, the satisfaction, the sheer joy of having reached your goal. The more vividly you can feel these emotions, the stronger your connection to your desire becomes. Now, take this visualization a step further. Open your eyes and find a notebook or journal. Write down your desire as if it has already happened. Close your eyes for a moment. Feel the joy, the excitement, the deep satisfaction of already having achieved your goal. Let those feelings wash over you as you say to yourself, "I am so grateful. It feels amazing to have this in my life right now." This act of writing solidifies your intention and further imprints it onto your subconscious mind. Keep this journal close and revisit it often. As you read your words, allow yourself to bask in the feelings of accomplishment and gratitude. To enhance your visualization practice, consider creating a vision board. This is a collage of images, words, and quotes that represent your desires. It serves as a visual reminder of what you're working towards and reinforces the emotions associated with achieving your goals. Recall that this is your journey, and you set the pace. Start small, celebrate your wins, and gradually expand your vision as your confidence grows. The more you practice, the more natural it will become, and the more magnificent your manifestations will be. Now, let's be real. This journey isn't always smooth sailing. You might encounter roadblocks along the way, doubts that whisper in your ear, impatience that gnaws at your resolve, negative self-talk that tries to dim your light. But these challenges are not signs of failure. They're simply opportunities for growth. When doubt creeps in, remind yourself of the countless examples of individuals who defied the odds and achieved the seemingly impossible. When impatience tempts you, take a deep breath and recall that great things take time. And when that inner critic starts spewing negativity, counter it with affirmations of self-belief and worthiness. The key to overcoming these obstacles is unwavering persistence. Keep your focus on your desired outcomes, revisit your vision board, repeat your affirmations, and above all, maintain a positive mindset. Understand that manifestation is not an instant fix. It's a process that unfolds over time. Just as a tiny seed grows into a towering tree, your desires will blossom at their own pace. Trust the timing of the universe and know that every step you take is leading you closer to your goals. Now, here's a beautiful truth. As you manifest your own desires, you create a ripple effect that extends far beyond yourself. Your positive energy, your newfound joy and abundance radiate outwards, touching the lives of those around you. By raising your own vibration, you contribute to a collective shift towards a brighter, more harmonious world. So, let your dreams not only serve your own growth, but also inspire others. Use your imagination to envision a world where everyone thrives, where kindness and compassion prevail, and where each individual recognizes their own limitless potential. Your journey of manifestation is not just about personal gain. It's about contributing to a greater good. It's about co-creating a world where we all flourish together. Now that you've glimpsed the incredible power of your mind, it's time to take the reins and become the conscious creator of your reality. Begin experimenting with these techniques. Allow yourself to play, to explore, to discover the unique ways in which your imagination can shape your world. Your potential is limitless, your dreams are valid, and your power to manifest is undeniable. Go forth with confidence, knowing that you have everything you need to create a life that fills you with joy, purpose, and fulfillment. Remind yourself that the only limits that exist are the ones you place upon yourself. If this video resonated with you, please show your support by giving it a like and subscribing for more empowering content. Your journey to a more fulfilling life starts now.